Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how you can produce a professional looking video to promote your products or impress your friends with LUMEN5. You will learn exactly how you can create a video from your text without having to show your face or talk. Plus, it's free. Are you ready to start? First, you need text. Why not use ChatGPT? It's free and easy to use. After a bit of prompting and tweaking, you should be able to get some pretty good promo text. Surprisingly, even though ChatGPT is extremely artificially intelligent, it cannot count words. I asked for 80 to 120 words and it gave me 140. What gives? Now, let's create our video. We'll use LUMEN5, an artificial intelligence-driven video creation platform. It promises to turn your text content into professional-looking videos quickly and easily. But will it deliver? Let's find out. Firstly, you need to register, and that's super easy. Now click New Video and select a visual template. I kind of like this one. Now paste your script into LUMEN5 to convert to a video. LUMEN5 AI originally generated 6 cuts. Let's now duplicate the first cut and explore the available media library. So let's check the library for videos and photos. And don't forget to mark your favorites. Now upload your own images or those from free websites such as Pexels, Pixabay, Giphy or Unsplash. Let's now go to the first cut and swap design. This function is very useful. Choose a design you like and modify the text to your liking. Let's go to the second cut. I'm going to choose a different design here because I want more space for food and people and less for text. You can also change the position of the text and duplicate the cut to make it better or different. Consider shuffling colors, but with 30 design options, it may not always be necessary. Repeat the process for the next cut. For this one, I'm choosing a collage design to show more pictures of the menu and atmosphere. You can also preview the cuts, adjust their length, add new scenes or sub-scenes, direct to reorder, or add your own voiceover. Now let's go and choose some music. After listening to a few songs, I really like this Italian waltz. To view the final product, click Preview in the top right corner. I've trained my avatar to do the review of the final product, so let's relax and enjoy.
Let's now assess the results and provide my insights. Initially, the complimentary version of LUMEN5 offers a 720p resolution and includes LUMEN5's watermark. However, you do have a drawback of LUMEN5 is its limited customization options. For instance, Filmora Wondershare provides significantly more possibilities to create videos tailored to your needs, with its perpetual version costing only $69.99. Despite this shortcoming, the greatest advantage of LUMEN5 lies in its AI-powered platform. With the generous help of AI technology, you can create a professional-looking video effortlessly and rapidly. It's an exceptional way to produce your own videos, for example for promotion of your products, services, for special occasions or just for fun. While I appreciate the music provided, I do wish that the free version offered more text customization options. On the other hand, I am pleased with the free stock Italian food photos and videos. However, it may prove to be more challenging to obtain usable free stock images and videos for your more specific products or services. In such cases, there are some options available, using free libraries such as Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels, or utilizing your own materials. Without question, a restaurant should use images and videos they created themselves. The most valuable feature of LUMEN5 is the option to swap designs with around 30 free alternative design options, including collage, media, titles, lists, data, dynamic text, and more. The collage video option is especially enjoyable, and I appreciate the end design with the option to include contact details.
So, wow! Are you impressed with the results we got, given the limited time and the resources? Do you think you could produce something similar? Let me know in the comments below. As an expert in personal productivity and not a video producer, I'm definitely impressed. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and for more videos about how you can create magic with the best AI-powered tools, subscribe to the channel.